binary numbers are, super important concept in a sense that everything that you see in the computer is not really 1 to 0 to 9 or 100 or 200 and 500. Computer has its own numbering system. That's what we need to learn it. And this also builds the foundation for some of the other things. So I want to make sure that I teach you guys what is a binary number. Okay? But before we do the binary number, I am talking about, we need to quickly understand or, review what we call a decimal number, right? So decimal system is what you guys already know. We all know it's part of math, right? From kindergarten to, throughout of your life, you talk about decimals. So which is nothing but a set of numbers or consisting of 0 and 9, right? So for example, we say 2417, right? That's a decimal number. That's in the decimal system. That's because what we call it, this number is made of 2, 4, 1, and 7, right? So these numbers are, again, if you look at carefully, the way we read it is, we say 2000 400 17, right? But if you carefully look, we have got what I call it, when you say 2000, each number has what we call it a position value, right? So this is your unit, you already know that. This is your tens, this is your 100, right? And this is your 1000. Actually, it's 4 here, right? So 2417. Actually, I should rewrite this part. That will look much better. Okay. So I draw this, write the number 2417. This is your unit, right? This is your 10th place, this is your 100th place, and this is 1000th place. The number 2 is smaller than number 4, but then this position is much stronger in the number. It comes first. When we read, we always read first 2000, even though number 4 is bigger, right? That's primarily because number 2 comes at position of 1000. Think of it this more like a step. This is where 7 is, this is where 1 is, this is where 4 is, this is where 2 is. The higher you go on this side, right, or higher you go on these steps, the numbers become more powerful. Even the 2 is smaller than 4, 2 is more powerful. Why? Because 2 is at the 1000th place. So what I really mean is the number and the position of the number are equally important. And when you read a number, when you say 2000, right, this is nothing but you're saying this is the position and this is the number itself. Correct? That's how we always read 2417. So with 4, we say 4 the number and the position is 100, right? So if you look at it, you always say 2417 as 2 multiplied by 1000 plus 4 multiplied by 100 plus 1 multiplied by 10 plus 7 multiplied by 1, right? You can say that. We all already know that. I'm just giving you the expanded version of a number.